Pandani Tifan Dangshawazak Madam Pragya, the chief guest of this function, my sister Swikwrwng and Anikaka, Benny Chandra Jamatia, Biskango Dan Noresla, J. Borogrogni, Dagi Mumbai, Nanda Kumar Debbarma, Tini Orabasada. Time Buskangwa Zuzak, entire brothers and sisters. Kebangma jara jeng kenalekya, ani yagrao kotorma kaisa bidushi mohila rongni bodol mohili rogotango makam borok waiso ora phainai Sinirani Tanginai, Kavama, Koloma, Kotama, Sunaknarika. Personally, Uncle Kichuta bores and ka about it. Usha Saka, the Tong to Yara, Abo Kisaki, Tong to Yang Money, Abo Buchihaka, Boro Tong to Dino. Even the enhance is history one. Tanghimba Shudanna Debbarma Memorial Award, Olindrolal Tripura Memorial Award, Omte Award, already Tripura Richak Tongo. Richak Tanga. Couple of awardees already received, conferred, only Tanga. About সরকারি লেভেলে বেসরকারি লেভেলে বা এদেশি প্রশাসনের দিক থেকে এই অ্যাওয়ার্ডসরক এই নামে দেখা সমাচরণ ত্রিপুরা অ্যাওয়ার্ড বো যাব কিন্তু এই যে রাংচাক রিচাক ফাউন্ডেশনে মথা কাইসা খাওই হ্যালো আর রিচাক Mungrabna high Pimani. Body ethical question Mundimano, Kleiner Klaimano, into to me. Amakisa Juda. Abonka Shamacharan Tripura Award, Sudana Award Funnel. Or no, that is a Juda Zagati Pimani. Among have Shamacharan Tripura, Sudana Debbarmani, Bushabutiro Gramani. I don't know hell like Orani Bakajuda, Orani Nahar Munjuda, Orani Wansuk Munjuda. Table Kotor Kleine, table Kujuk Klai, table uplifted Baramori Manke, table Sakamu Jodono Simon Kokorok Bhasha Evan সংস্কৃতি Bechedo Daras Hamuntanero, Lama Pununero, Boroni Munguino, a award stock, Sokat rock, that money. Abo O Jagaono, Mutunaru Thai, Zeng Chini Opera no Kulumo Bosom Niti, Bosom Ni Kogno, Naru Kogoro Tabuksi. Gradually, it is getting written shape. Otherwise, it is almost extinct in oral traditions. Until unless We don't create creative literature, written forms of language. जों academic arenaयाव याफिरि कदके सही मानिया. We have to create more and more literature. Literature ni Debbarma bedek, bedek, burung no, sitai bijak no khotai. Tabungi generation, abonono sano. Every morning, I have to face the youth whose average age is 23 to 24. When I get myself entered into the classroom of university, and usually I come to read their faces, what they want, what they feel about their language. Omhai, at the changing movement, এই ধরনের উৎসাহ ব্যঞ্জক বখার সদন নাই বখার পাচার নাই আবহাই ইয়াগিরি সেনানি নামো অমথুগি থুমনি কগিয়া অবহাইখেন যিনি যে স্কারসিটি দমনি অভাব অনটন দমনি both in creative side, both in practical side, আবরণ কবর আপনার হইল বিজয়িত আর করিখেনা তখন অর্জুন ননংনার গ্লাব চেথবাং ফাং নং তাং হরিখেন খা কংগি থাঙ্গন অর্জুননি খরক গरै मारिनि सिमि बुकचा मुंनि सिमि जेसे फानो सोलोंदि नों बादखं साकबाय थां अर्जुन संतिया रावि तलांनानि यासिमा पुरा एकलब्य तामुनि मुसुनां कासानानि लंथराय गुसु आजिरा वासंग खातिजाक दङ आवां गुरियानि चोआ Kisahse fana selagi nake kiong nai imang nini bekau ini makango. Nai namu sungai tayar hi. Nai namu sungai cumoi cumoi kaf silen mani. Senam namu sungai ojung tai ilura. Baik hang ibu mumbai, baik hang ni langsung. Kavita. I created a drama on these few lines. This type of happening, whether it certainly took place or not, I don't know. Kavita ni kaisa stanza, only one stanza. I went through only 10 to 12 lines of this poetry. And I came to compose one full-fledged drama. Kebang makok dia. Sana thangke sabaya. I can speak 12 hours continuously on this issue, on this topic. पाँच बछर research work lagi or natok sinani sedang finally natok ka some people love, some people did not, some people to march on the street taking this drama. It is communal, supporting the extremists, anti-nationals, এই সব কিছু বলে সাজালে। But finally, this drama came as success. O natok tabuko CIIL website classroom text hisabe phonukjago khnarjagi tongo. This drama was presented in the University Centre of London at Paris. This drama was presented in the Mayan Technical University, Singapore. At Mysuru, this drama was watched by members of world language from 69 countries. 69টা দেশ নিয়ে হানি representative of International Language and Linguistics Conference ni Borogrok or Natogno Naika. It was presented in Delhi, it was presented in Bangalore, it was presented in Shillong, it was in Guwahati, it was this Haryana government. Or Natogno modern drama for schools.
Great.
1.3. The first stanza consisted of 10 to 12 lines. Compelled me to compose one drama. Eta Pomo Pipan. It is an weapon. Also to stand against any attacks. Kobita niyo jagawo thangmadi. Being a teacher in the university at the last ages, Omono and my message to my students, to yours, to the society as well. Read poetry and absorb poetry, accept poetry, creativity, and admire this type of people like Chandrakanta Murashi, my very, very, very good friend. Sometimes ইচ্ছা করে বা ইচ্ছা করে না পয়সা হয়েছে ওয়ালাই লেগে চন্দ্রকান্তর সঙ্গে আমার একটু ঝগড়া করার ইচ্ছা হয় মাঝে মধ্যে হয় হতেই পারে কিন্তু তর্ক বিতর্ক জড়িয়ে দিই আমি মন্দ কথা বলে চন্দ্রকান্ত উত্তর দেয় এটা স্বাভাবিক সবাই দেবেন কিন্তু ফাইনালি একটা ডেস্টিনেশনে আমরা যাই তারপর মুছে যায় রেখাতার বর্ণতার উদাসীন চিত্রকর কালো কালি দিয়ে কিছু যায় না মোছা সুবর্ণের লিপি ধ্রুব তারকার মতো জ্বলে তার জ্যোতিষ্কের লীলা এই সাহিত্য নিয়ে যাহাও যদি চিনি কখনো চলান্তি মন্দিরকে শুরু হয় Of course, kaisa chikon sa kobita pori hui nai pais nai karon bijoyini kobita sang pori to kan kobita ma pori thai নাটক করা ঠিক আছে কিন্তু বিজয়কে তো সহজে জায়গা আমি দেব না 아니꼭 시직의 기비가 드이몽니 슬라이몽 아니꼭 로보 거보노다보 자바크블라이 영만이 아니꼭 시직의 기비가 슬라이몽 드이몽니 Ani Koglobo, Kobonotabo, Chobakapolai, Mani. Busuk Manjaka. Busuk, tahu no Manjaka Tongka. Kaklap Kafrujagi. Busuk Hor Shichawi Tongka. Mukturi Methibi Toni. Disha Shichigai. Kachioi Raka, Bigra Bupang, Bechengo. Yalek Tikireng, Jaduni Koran, Baksa Babu, Tango. Sana Sapaya, Jabani Gogno. Kotoma Logru. Kahui Paga, Nicely, Kaisile, Pohoro, Paruk. Anikog, Taletilia, Winisrai Munangi, Hichai Taivega, Bini Busaro, Ratoto Yapiri Seoi. My language has thrown the death sentence into the dustbin. My poetry hangs in the sky, the winning pole, and it plays the victory drum. It plays the victory drum. How much kicks I had to take on my chest? How rebukes, misleads, misinterpretation of my heart? How I lost my freedom of boyhood, and how I had punished them for not making correct spelling of forefather's name. In such a language, my teacher spoke. How I cried and struggled just to know even the ABCD. My language has crossed the river of all exams and survived once again. My language will never die. My language will never die, as it sounds strongly arrived in the war field. And therefore, my poetry played the victory drums. My poetry plays the victory drums. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.